Hi everyone, this is Max and I continue my videos about the down theme settings in Shopify. And in previous videos we discussed the all header settings and we discussed the all image banner settings. We also discussed how to set up the menu and so in this video we will discuss the some other section. If you not subscribed, please subscribe, and if this video was helpful for you, feel free to leave me some donations. I will be grateful. If you have some issues with website or have some personal request to fix something or to implement something, feel free to contact me by email under this video or by comments area. I will be happy to help. Okay, so we have such header, such banner, and below the banner, usually we should have something like collections. So to add the section inside the your homepage, we should go to the template and here hover, and there is some plus button. Just click it, and there is all available sections which we can use. In this video we will learn about the collection list section, but as you can see there are 17 right, of them, and we will discuss each of them in this playlist, right? And in this video we will talk about collection list. To add by section, just click on it and we have some beautiful collection settings. This is default down theme, so there are no many settings about it, and in this video we will learn all of them, as I told before. Okay, so to add some collection, we should, okay, let's just, okay, to add collection we should hover here and click add collection. If we want more, just click more, more and more. Okay, so we have 6 of them right now. Let's check which settings has collection list section for down theme. We click on it and here we can adjust the header, like title, our beautiful collections. Okay, now you can adjust the heading size from small, medium, large, extra large, and extra large. I would use or medium or small. I actually love small, to be true. Okay, so now we can adjust the layout for the collections. There are square, portrait, and adapt to image for image. Okay, this settings for image. These settings mean how to cut your collection image. Here I use the default Shopify collection, so you will not see the change, but once you upload some own image, these settings will say how to adapt it. Make it square, make it portrait, or adapt to image. I would recommend you to make all them same and or portrait or square. Okay, below we can select columns, okay, like 4 up to 6 columns. So 6 columns is all possible to do with down theme. I like 4, I actually like 4. So now let's remove other, okay, other two collections. And now there is color scheme. We can use some colors for this section, like this, and this. How to edit the color sections, schemes, we will discuss in another video. This is about the theme settings, not about section settings. But basically, you should click edit and it will go you to the color scheme. Okay, so here you can change the color. Let's change all. Here, this settings means add or remove view all button. View all means all collections, other collections which you have. It doesn't appear here as I don't have any collections, but it should appear here and it should lead you to the all collections page. Okay, I will disable it. Now for mobile layout, let's go to mobile, and here is the mobile layout. It can be one column or two columns. So I prefer two columns because one column is too large for user to scroll too much. But I prefer two columns. Here is option which you can make it as carousel, and it will be like this. If you like this option, go for it. Okay, I will leave it like this. Now there is option to adjust padding top and padding bottom for this section. I would recommend you to keep it default to be true because it looks nice and clean. If you are not fancy web developer, you don't really need to adjust these spaces. And that's all settings for the collections list. Now we can go to theme settings and check which options exist here. So here we have review section scroll. We can disable it or enable it. Let's check what it does. Okay, and disable. Okay, so let's keep it open. You see it's some animation, and it adds some animation, so just let it go. I think if you like it. And style for the boxes, which is standard and card. Okay, I don't see any difference, so I don't think it means something for these settings. Okay, and here is style. Okay, standard and okay, this is standard with image and below title or card, which is just title. I would leave with standard. Below is custom CSS settings, where you can leave your custom CSS. If you're not sure what you are doing, don't go for it. Better contact me, I will help you. And that's all sections for the collections page. So now we have header, we have image banner, and we have collection list. Don't forget to subscribe, and in next video we will learn about some other sections, actually about all of them. So don't forget to subscribe, click like, and have a nice day.